God have mercy upon us.
Wait. You see this thing that you did is not good. This thing that you just did now is not good. Why will your fellow man be in this condition and you are laughing? Your fellow man is in this condition. Crocodile has just entered inside his pom-pom and you are laughing. Is it fair? But I want to ask, what took the man to that place? What took the man to that location? Other people are running from crocodile. Him is coming closer to crocodile. Is crocodile his wife? This crocodile is very wicked though. Look at where the crocodile go and hold. On his plane rockets. Hi! This crocodile is wicked. He's a bad nigger. You see, this kind of condition is what they called Osondo Agwike.